Welcome back to AutoDrive Universe, the place where car lovers find the latest updates, honest reviews, and future automotive innovations. Today the spotlight is on something truly exciting, the upcoming 2026 BMW Z1, a car that blends modern engineering, futuristic design, and the pure thrill of open-top driving. This new generation model is created to redefine what a compact roadster can be, combining BMW's signature performance with cutting-edge technology and a bold, emotional driving experience that feels connected, powerful, and incredibly stylish. The 2026 BMW Z1 captures attention instantly with its sleek and athletic exterior. The body sits low and wide, giving it an aggressive yet elegant stance. The updated grille is sharper and more aerodynamic, while slim LED and laser lighting deliver a futuristic appearance both day and night. Every line on the car is functional, helping reduce drag and increasing stability at higher speeds. The sculpted hood, sporty rear, and aerodynamic wheels show BMW's focus on performance while maintaining a premium, luxurious identity. It is built for those who want to stand out on the road and enjoy a truly expressive design. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Z1 is engineered to deliver thrilling performance. Expected power options include efficient yet powerful turbo engines and possibly an electrified variant to match modern trends. Quick acceleration, responsive handling, and an advanced suspension system promise a smooth yet dynamic ride. BMW's performance tuning ensures sharp cornering, high-speed stability, and that signature roadster excitement when you hit the throttle. Whether cruising through city streets or pushing it on highways, the Z1 is designed to feel engaging and full of energy. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 BMW Z1 feels premium, futuristic, and driver-focused. The interior wraps around the driver with high-quality materials, digital displays, and intelligent layout. A large curved infotainment display with BM's latest iDrive system delivers seamless connectivity, navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Voice assistants, advanced digital interfaces, and wireless smartphone integration make every journey smarter and easier. Comfortable sporty seats, refined stitching, and ambient lighting elevate the luxury feel, while smart space design ensures comfort despite its compact roadster form. Technology and safety are also major highlights. The 2026 BMW Z1 is expected to feature advanced driver assistance systems including lane support, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance aids, and multiple smart sensors to keep the driver safe and confident. Modern connectivity features allow real-time vehicle monitoring, software updates, and personalized driving settings. This car is not just about speed, it is about smart performance, safety, and future-ready innovation. In the end, the 2026 BMW Z1 represents BMW's passion for performance roadsters combined with modern technology and luxury. It is stylish, powerful, technologically advanced, and built for drivers who love excitement with elegance. If you love innovative cars, futuristic designs, and thrilling driving experiences, this one surely deserves your attention. Stay tuned to AutoDrive Universe for more amazing car updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep supporting the channel.